What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can deactivate or terminate your Trading 212 card. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Trading 212 app, you would need to go to your cards section right here. So once you're on your cards tab, you would need to select the card that you would like to deactivate. So in my case, I ordered my physical card, but it still hasn't arrived. So I would need to deactivate it so I can reorder it once more. So then I will go ahead and select my physical card. And here on the detailed card screen, you would need to go to the settings tab right here. And here just go ahead and tap terminate card right here. Then they ask you, are you sure that you want to terminate your card? So if you're sure, go ahead and click terminate card once more to confirm it. And there we go. Now that card has been terminated, and as you can see is no longer visible under the your cards section in the Trading 212 app. So that's guys how you can terminate, deactivate or delete a card from Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.